What's up, guys? Clean Green on the scene. Got a custom car here, and it is just sick. Super sick. Drop down. He just had the top open. It's a full sunroof. The whole length of the vehicle. Whole length of the vehicle is sunroof.
Got that for 97 with that.
Super sick. So sick. I ain't never seen a sunroof like that in my life. Full sun, man. That's nice. That is just too sick. Dude rolled in with his family. The kid in the car seat. Like a boss. What's up, guys? Clean Green on the scene. Monday, March 15th, 5:34 p.m. here at the Pismo Plaza. It's pretty much a ghost town. Very windy day today. There's the ocean and the beach. I'm gonna head out there and see what I can find. On windy days like this, I think a lot of plastic gets exposed from the wind. So I'm gonna go out there and see if I can't find some small stuff. Yeah, let's get at it. Looks like it's for a kite, probably a kite pole. That bird, he's trying to figure out whether or not I'm going to feed him. Thinks I might feed him. I promise you guys I'm not going to feed him. Gonna have to fend for himself. But I will clean up the plastic litter out of his environment. Sun Squad sand bucket set, 10 piece. I think this goes for $7.49. Age is 18 months plus. Is this yours? Thing ripped a hole in my bag. I knew that was gonna happen. Look at that, guys. Little octopus has been there so long, you got it in the sand. What we did out here today, so the wind's blowing the sand right off of everything that's covered up. Well, in some places, anyhow. Depends on the moisture level. Oh yeah, a lot of stuff's getting exposed. But imagine if I waited long enough, I'd be able to witness that get blown over. We're not going to do that. We're just going to clean them up and carry on. As you can see, these are just sitting out here. There's no one around. Those people just got here. They walked up. This is not theirs. There's no one really here. A couple surfers out there. So yeah, just some more random beach toys. Plastic litter. No worries though. Clean Green is on the scene. Guys, you know that's just a nightmare for somewhere. Sitting right here, just waiting for him until we showed up anyway. Oh no! Ah, get over here! You will not escape! while since I found one of these. Microplastic. Huh, I better put that in my pocket. Probably fall out of the bag. $10 piece, $5. Full net. Maybe I should bag up some beach toys and resell them. Oh. Oh, I wish I was that age again. See, this piece here goes with this. Goes on there like that. Evil. This is some, guys, like I said, you know how we feel about these. There's some more over there. But these, imagine if you're a bird and you get that caught on you and then it clicks into place and clicks again. Oh man. Bad cap. Bad. See here, the wind's been blowing over this cap for a while now. That's what I was hoping, that I'd find some caps exposed from the wind. Got its own little mound behind it there. And then of course they always come in pairs, right? There's one, same deal. It's got its own little thing going on there. Oh, that's not a cap, that's an egg. Well then, there must be another cap around somewhere, because they always come in pairs. Bottle had its own little imprint too. That's plastic, guys. Plastic with steel cap. Oh God, I can imagine this is gonna be a real nightmare for the wildlife with these elastic bands. Kids candy, lollipop or something. Wow, guys, second quarter today, 50 cents. I'm getting richer. See that? Karma. NBA, guys. These are probably expensive clothes. Oh, 2 for 1 special. Well, guys, there you go. Bunch of nets, bunch of trash, beach toys, cans, hats, clothes, plastic. It's all in there. And then this thing, it's like super plastic. It's super flexible and super hard. Guys, if you like what you see in there, if you like seeing that litter get cleaned up off of that there beach, if you like seeing all that stuff go where it needs to go, into the recycling, smash that like. Smash that subscribe, share and tell a friend. Let them know Clean Green Earth is out here protecting us all. The wildlife, all of our feet, all them people running around barefoot on the beach are being protected by Clean Green Earth for all. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you later. Oh yeah, then we're filming.
Hey brother, I appreciate you, man.
Thank you so much, sir.
Have a good day.
You're the man. You just made my day. My wife's gonna.
You made my day.
Yeah, my wife's gonna be so happy when she hears I got a tip.
Wife, hello.
Thank you.
That means you're not hiding your tip.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Cool guy there.